Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Iman Fahmi bin Roslin. Nombor matriks 25DDT 19F1173. Pada hari ini saya akan membuat step dan explanation video untuk practical exercise 2. So, tajuk untuk practical exercise 2 ialah logging from multiple sources. So, untuk part 1, view log entries with syslog. Step 1, the syslog server. Click the syslog server to open each window. So, kat sini, syslog server. Kemudian B, select the services tab and select syslog from the list of services shown on the left. Dekat bahagian kiri ni, ada tulis syslog, klik kat sini. Kemudian C, click on to turn on the syslog service. So, kita kena klik kat on, button on ni. Kemudian D, syslog entries coming from syslog clients will be shown in the window on the right. Currently, there are no entries. So, untuk sekarang dia belum ada entry lagi lah, sebab belum buat apa-apa lagi. Masih kosong. Seterusnya, keep this window open and visible and move on to step 2. So, kita biar ni simpan dulu. Kita ke step 2, enable syslog. The device are already configured to send log messages to the syslog server, but packet sensor only supports the logging for the debugging severity level with syslog. Because of that, we must generate debug level message level 7 so they can be sent to the syslog server. Click R1 and CLI tab. So, kita pergi ke R1, router 1. Kemudian pergi ke CLI. Kemudian B, press enter to get a command prompt, enter the command enable. Enter. Dan tab enable. Kemudian C, enter the command debug EIGRP packets to enable EIGRP debugging. The command line console will immediately fill with debug message. So kita masukkan command debug EIGRP packets. So EIGRP debugging on. So kemudian return to the syslog server window. Verify that log entries appear on the syslog server. So kita pergi ke syslog server. So E, after a few messages have been logged, click the radio button to turn the syslog service off. So kita stop on dia. Klik dekat button off. Close the kemudian F, close the R1 device window. Pada R1 ni kita tutup. So kita pergi ke part 2, log user access. So A, click the syslog server to open its window. So kita dah buka syslog server. B, select the desktop tab and select AAA accounting. Leave this window open. Kita pergi ke desktop. Kemudian select AAA accounting. Dekat sini. So kita biarkan kat sini. Kita pergi C, klik R2 and then CLI. Pergi ke router 2. CLI D, press enter to get a command prompt. R2 will ask for username and password before granting access to CLI. Enter the following user credentials, analyze CyberOps as the username and password respectively. Kita tekan enter. masukkan username, analyze, password CyberOps. Okay. Kemudian return to the Syslog server AAA accounting records window. Okay, kita kembali ke Syslog server tadi. Continue. So what information is in the log entry? So kat sini kita dapat tarikh dia dan masa dia. Okay. So sekarang pukul 3.56. Tarikh dia 30 Mei 2021. Username tadi analyze. Caller ID tak ada. Flag start. NAS IP. Okay. 192.18.12.2. NAS port console 0. Okay. Kemudian dekat R2 kita masukkan logout command. Kita pergi ke AAA accounting window tadi kepada Syslog server. So kat sini what happen in the AAA accounting window. So selepas dia logout tadi, so dia punya account dia keluar kat sini juga. Okay, masa bila? Pukul 3.57, 30 Mei 2021. Username analyze, call ID, flag stop. So ni maknanya stop ni dia log out tadi start. So kita dah login. Bila kita log out dia stop. Okay, IP address dia, port dia. So kita pergi ke part 3. NetFlow and visualization. In the topology, the Syslog server is also a NetFlow collector. The firewall is configured as a NetFlow exporter. Click the Syslog server to bring up its window. Close the AAA accounting records window. Okay, buka klik Syslog server. Okay, tutup di accounting, AAA accounting record. So, kemudian from the stop tab, select NetFlow collector. The NetFlow collector service should be turned on. Okay, kita cari NetFlow collector kat sini. Okay, so kita turn on dia lah kat button on ni. Kemudian from any PC, ping the COP web server at 209.165.200.194. After a brief delay, the pie chart will update to show the new traffic flow. Okay, kemudian kita dari mana-mana PC lah, kita kena ping COP web server. Okay, kita ambil PC 1, desktop, command prompt. Okay, kita ping ke COP web server, iaitu 209.165.200.194. Kemudian kita pergi ke ni tadi, Syslog server. Kita tengok NetFlow collector dia. Okay, kat sini dia ada source address dia kat sini. So itu saja untuk practical exercise 2. Sekian, terima kasih.